Quick and easy laundry hack, release wrinkles without ironing. Hey, guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about a quick and easy laundry hack that will save you time and effort. Have you ever heard of using steam to release wrinkles from your clothes? It's a quick and effective alternative to ironing. Hang your wrinkled clothes in your bathroom while you take a hot shower. The steam will help release the wrinkles. But won't the humidity make your clothes damp? Don't worry. The warmth from the steam is just enough to release the wrinkles without making your clothes damp. This hack is perfect for those busy mornings when you don't have time for ironing. You can also use it while traveling. So, there you have it. Guys, a quick and easy way to release wrinkles from your clothes without ironing. Do email or leave a comment under the video if it was helpful, and don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to get alerts when I post new videos. You can also share the link to help friends and colleagues.